Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free Udemy courses. So you hear that right, how to get Udemy courses free at no cost. So you might be someone that wants to like venture into online marketing or sales, or you want to learn programming language, any skill you want to learn online. Best place you can learn it is on Udemy. But most of the courses are of high price most times, so if you don't have that kind of money to purchase those courses, there are free courses that you can take. Then from there, when you master the skills, the little you can learn from it, then you can advance to a more higher paid courses. So there are three ways in order to get access to these Udemy courses. So the first one is a direct site to the course. So there's a site that you can go to that you find all these free courses, and when you click it, you just take you to the landing page of that course, so you can enroll on it. You don't need to pay any money, so you just start right away. And the second one is Udemy free course site. So on the Udemy website, there's a page that you can like browse, that you can have access to all these courses for free. So when you click on the courses on those page on that on Udemy website, you are not going to pay any amount, so you just enroll to the course. And the last one is applying for a coupon code, but this require you to pay a small amount of money in order to have access to the course. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the first two in order to have access to the free Udemy courses on the website. So don't just stick to this free course alone. When you learn something from it and you like master it, you can advance to paid courses on the Udemy website too. So the first one is this site right here, COURSESITY. So on COURSESITY you can have access to all Udemy courses. So when you go to the website, you see all Udemy courses here. So don't bother, I'll leave a link to this page on the link below, so you can have access to it. So when you're on the page, these are free courses that you can have access to on Udemy. So, and you can also make a search on here. Just type any course you want to learn and it will bring it up. So when you click on the course, let's say you want to learn After Effects now for beginner. So when you click on it, so when you're on this page, to have access to this course or this course on Udemy, what you need to do is just to click go to the course. So when you click goes to this course, it's going to take you to the course on Udemy, and you are going to enroll for it. So it's waiting for it to load. So it will land you on Udemy courses directly for that course, and it's free. You don't need to pay money, just enroll on it. So just click here, enroll. You have access to this course for a lifetime access. So that's one on order to have access to Udemy courses. So the second one is on Udemy website itself. So when you go to Udemy, I'll also leave this link in the link below, so you can have access to this one too. So on this page, you can see a lot of courses that are available on Udemy that are free. Even though their courses are paid, but there are courses that are free that you can have access to on this Udemy. So when you're on this page and you scroll down, you see most of the courses. So it's already filtered for you to have access to them. So if you want to learn anything on here right now, so you just need to like filter it, and it will take you to the page and you can have access to the course. But if you ask me, the best option I prefer is using the first one I showed you. So when you browse the course on that page, it just land you on the page of that course that you want to learn. So I prefer that one to the Udemy website, but you can also use this one too, so to have access to all these free courses. So when you click any one of the course here right now, let's say you want to learn Amazon Web Services, yes, AWS. So when you click on it, so you see it's free. So to have access to this course, just click enroll. Then you have access to the course for a lifetime access on the Udemy website. So that's how you can get access to Udemy courses for free. So, but the last one, to get coupon code, all you need to do is just to make a Google search, and you get a coupon code that can make you to pay less amount of the money if you are trying to enroll for higher courses that are paid, or you need a coupon code that you can pay for lesser lesser fee for that course. So you can do that too. So I hope you find this video valuable. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section, like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification, so anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. So see you on my next video. Thank you.